Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to present our paper entitled Nurturing and Developing Students' Digital Skills for IR 4.0 Ready. My name is Alias Masek. My colleague is Dr. Ana, Dr. Fazlinda, and Dr. Ana Ramdani. We are from Faculty of Technical and Vocational Education, Universiti Hussein on Malaysia. And our colleague is from Fakultas Pendidikan Teknologi dan Kejuruan, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Malaysia and Indonesia has been adopted IR 4.0 technology in many areas, a rapid change of development in multiple areas, particularly in manufacturing, government, administration and services. This development has been stimulated and expedited by the National Fourth Industrial Revolution for IR policy. Realizing the IR 4.0 can only be successful when our citizens ready to adopt new technology. Therefore, education will be the first in the list on human capital development. The national policy has a good impact on education sector. The digitalization of the citizen with knowledge and skill sets has been implemented in many ways through formal education, through schools to universities, and informal education through a short course and an enhancement program. In addition, with the pandemic situation, leaving no choices to universities to move toward digitalizations on its services, thus speeding up the embracement of the digital technology that is in line with the IR 4.0 technology. So we'll get background of the studies. The first number one is since the pandemic COVID-19 has left no option to university to shift the delivery option using the digital platform. For that reason, students must get familiar with online assessment laboratory, simulation, and any learning management platform, including the latest technology. And the implementation of digitalization should start from the digital curriculum consists of policy, infrastructure, encouragement, and skill training. Three main purposes of this study. First is to investigate the students' view on the higher education institution initiative. Number one, to explore whether the initiative reached the targeted group. And the third one is specifically measures the initiative of TVET institution on the preparation of students in facing digitalization demand at the industry. So methodology, as we can see on the screen, we are using online survey, using Google form, we are disseminate the questionnaire using link through WhatsApp and email. And our population targeted sample is from UTHM and UPI, of course student in TVET background. And the instrument we have part A and part B, and data analysis using frequency, percentage, demographic, mean score, and we are comparing both group, UTHM and UPI, using independent test. Finally, we managed to get 159 respondents from UPI and 95 from respondent UTHM. Specifically on our part B instrument, we have four major construct. Number one is policy, consists of 7 items, facility with 6 items, curriculum 5 items, and skill training 5 items. Our finding indicated that between UTHM and UPI has a little bit higher with 3.62 in mean score compared to 3.55 in terms of policy readiness. Also for the facility, UTHM a little bit higher with 3.72 compared to 3.64 from the facility. University also has provided a good curriculum in terms of preparing students toward IR 4.0 ready. UTHM has a little bit higher with 3.77 mean score compared to 3.52 from UPI, and the training not much different, which is the mean score is 3.53 compared to 3.52 from UPI. Further analysis using independent test, all 4 constructs indicated that only curriculum has a significant difference between UTHM and UPI students, while the other 3, policy, facility, and training, there is no significant difference. This is the detail of the finding, as you can see on the screen. And our conclusion is that taking a case study from two universities, Malaysia and Indonesia, generally both universities has taken an initiative holistically to provide the best service to students from policy, facility, curriculum and training, and of course it has been improved from time to time. And for the further studies, we suggest to directly evaluate the institutional management and staff for IR 440 initiative. I think this will give a better view or a good perspective in terms of what we have planned for students and what we are preparing, how are we preparing our students. Finally, thank you for Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia for funding this research, and the authors are also appreciative to the UPI and UTHM for their support in conducting this research. Thank you very much.